Have you ever dreamed of turning your passion into something profitable? Selling on Etsy can help you do just that. This platform is perfect for creative entrepreneurs like you. It's a great place to sell handmade, vintage, and craft supply items. Let's dive into how you can monetize your talent on Etsy. First, pick a niche that truly excites you. This could range from jewelry to custom artwork. Check out your competition to see what's popular. Look for a gap in the market to make your mark. Next up, it's time to set up your Etsy shop. Come up with a catchy shop name that reflects your vibe. Make sure to upload high-quality photos of your products. Stunning visuals will grab attention right away. Now, let's talk about crafting engaging product descriptions. Use straightforward language to describe what you're selling. Highlight what makes your items unique to draw in buyers. Don't forget to sprinkle in some relevant keywords for search optimization. Pricing is super important. Look into similar products to find a fair price point. Be sure to account for your materials, time, and Etsy fees. Competitive pricing can draw more customers to you. Now, promote your shop. Use social media to showcase your creations. Share behind-the-scenes content to connect with potential customers. Blogging or teaming up with influencers can help widen your reach. Deliver top-notch customer service. Reply quickly to inquiries and tackle any concerns. Encourage buyers to leave reviews. Positive feedback can really boost your credibility. Let's look at an example. Sarah began selling her handmade candles. She spotted a need for eco-friendly options. After setting up her shop, she took gorgeous photos and optimized her descriptions. Promoting her shop on Instagram helped her gain a lot of followers. Now, her candles fly off the shelves. To sum it all up, choose your niche, set up your shop, write engaging descriptions, price wisely, promote your work, and offer great service. Each step contributes to your Etsy success. Ready to turn your passion into profit? Start your Etsy adventure today. Visit Etsy.com to get started.